Can we meet you?
Oga, talk now. Why do you people just like to always annoy people?
Jacob.
So why were you standing looking at me like that? Didn't you know you're supposed to talk?
Sorry. Jacob. My name is Jacob.
Hello, Jacob. So what do you do?
I'm a makeup artist.
What are you going to be doing for us today?
I can make somebody look beautiful in a little short while of time.
What does that mean?
Like in a...
No. In a little short while of time. What does that mean?
Yes. I can make person look fine. Person will look fine in a short of time. In a time of shorts. A while of short.
Okay. Okay, Jacob.
So this person is not fine, Abi?
The person is extremely ugly.
Okay. Do you have somebody?
I was thinking to do it on him.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Can you come forward, please? Come.
Is your family mad? Is your family do they have mental problem in your home? Are you crazy? You want to do what makeup on who? Are you people stupid?
He has selected you.
You came here looking like a painter. You are standing here telling me you want to make. Are you mad? You want to make up on who?
What I do is I have this talent of making people that are less privileged look like they are
Your
people.
single brother that is less privileged.
How can you come to an audition and insult the judge?
No,
It's
I'm not insulting
a no for me.
No. Let him do what he
It's
wants.
a no for me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let him make up for you now.
I'm sorry.
I will have a big problem with you. What's that rubbish?
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
You can start from your head.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I said it's a no for me.
Sorry.
Wait, what are you asking me for?
Let me just make up on you.
Why did you choose
Allow me to help you. Allow me to just to give you my Midas touch. You will like yourself. Forget everything you are going through. You will feel better with yourself. If I touch you, if I touch your face.
Come and make up for me.
Thanks.
Make up your mind now. Are you coming or not?
Let my friend. Let me call my friend. Mimi.
I thought you said somebody ugly.
The person ugly doesn't want. Likes the way he looks.
Okay, continue.
Likes his problems.
Let me see the nonsense you want to do.
Okay. In 30 seconds, I'm going to make her to look like Beyonce. Check your time and I'm waiting for you to say start.
Your time has started,
Start.
idiot. Idiot, your time has started since. Fool. What's going on?
Sorry. It's a surprise. Face it. I won't even be looking, but I'll be doing makeup. You see? I wasn't looking. Time to use the
Are you stupid?
What's
mascara time.
I really want to see what this.
Hey.
Sorry.
All right. Thanks. Can go.
So you are done.
Yeah, can go.
She's
Can
going
go.
to
No. Let us
Hey,
see.
hey,
Let's
hey,
see. Let's
Come back here. Come back here. Hey.
Come back.
Are you sleeping? Are you joking here? Come back here. Who is this?
You say you
where
should
is
look
the
like
girl-
Beyonce.
Where is the girl that sat down here before?
She's the one. The color I brought was for your face.